Imagine giving your best friend the gift of vibrant health, one delicious, homemade meal at a time. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of fresh dog food, a step-by-step guide to creating nutritious, wholesome meals that will have your pup wagging their tail for more. First, let's talk protein-lean meats like turkey, chicken, or beef. Our excellent choices aim for about 40–50% of your dog's meal to be protein. Measure out the correct portion based on your dog's weight and activity level. Consult your vet for personalized guidance. Next up, complex carbohydrates and fiber. Think sweet potatoes, pumpkin, or brown rice. These provide sustained energy and are packed with vitamins. Chop them into small, manageable pieces, roughly the size of your kibble, for easy digestion. We're adding in some vibrant veggies. Green beans, broccoli florets, or spinach are fantastic for essential vitamins and antioxidants. A small amount of dog-safe fruits like blueberries can also offer a nutrient boost. Now, the magic happens. Gently combine all your cooked ingredients in a large bowl. We're aiming for a balanced mix, ensuring your dog gets all the essential nutrients they need, without any of the artificial additives found in many commercial foods. Cook your ingredients thoroughly. You can steam, bake, or lightly boil them for meats. Ensure they are cooked through for vegetables and starches. A gentle simmer until tender is ideal. Avoid any seasonings or oils that aren't dog-safe. Simple is best. Once cooled, portion out your dog's meal. You can store the rest in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or freeze individual portions for longer storage. This homemade goodness is more than just food. It's a commitment to your dog's optimal health and well-being. Give your furry friend the best possible diet, tailored with love and packed with natural goodness. Your dog will thank you with every happy lick and wag.